Welcome to the new AuntieTay.com. Super excited to show you guys around. It's super easy to navigate, but this video should be helpful. When you type in AuntieTay.com, you'll be taken to our new homepage, which is just a landing page for anybody who's not a member. You have a new entrance, which is right here or right here, depending on if you're a craft day creator or a business member. The only other thing you're really gonna need to worry about on this page is upcoming events. These will be sent out in the newsletter, but these are where you will RSVP to any event that we have going on, like our holiday creator search. We have a design contest coming up for our annual fundraiser, and then our fundraiser, a place for you to sign up for a free design every week and weekly updates. Now, if you're already a member, you don't need to do this because you are already going to be signed up for our updates. Okay, so if you go to AuntieTay.com, it'll take you right to here. You can check out the whole page or go to the bottom for your free design. I'm going to show you guys around crafty creators. So let's go into the crafty creators. We have changed everything over to craft styles. The craft styles page, or there's the craft styles drop down, and that is going to be your way to find your way around. You click on sewing, it'll take you right here, and these are all one-click download. So if you wanted this bib bandana, you just click it and it downloads into your computer downloads. We also have machines that we're going to be supporting, like the Icon Art Stencil Maker, the Glowforge. We go to cut files. Now this is what we used to be known for, so we have a lot of them. We now have almost 50 different categories. We used to only have 20. So if you click in a category and it looks like maybe some of the old files aren't there, that's just because we have more categories now. So instead of just sports, we now have sports mom, or they're separated by the sport. The more that these build out, the more categories we will get. Click on Halloween, you'll get to all of our Halloween designs. To get back to cut files, just go up here and click cut files, and that'll take you back to the categories again. Let's go to the clip art because we did just release a bunch of new clip art for you. If there's a design partner associated with that design, they will be featured in a little bubble. Now you can click on this little bubble and it's gonna take you to their Etsy store. We also have a new designers that we're partnered with that are a little bit more than just offering a few a month. So for example, we have the Foiled Plan, who is Haley. She has her own entire page and she is working to create more content for you guys coming soon. We have Wild Pilot LLC. I've seen you guys using her SVGs a lot. If you ever wonder what's new and you see me promoting something, just go over to this what's new page right here. This is gonna take you to the latest and greatest files that we come out with. If you are a business member, you can find all the different memberships under members. Business member coupon code is always different. You guys get 30% off to Wild Rose's boutique as well, so for your blanks and all the things. And then we have Disney characters, which is a whole nother world on the website, which there are tons and tons of characters, and we are coming out with more and more and more. Let's click on Dumbo, and there'll be a bunch of different styles in here. This is just everything based around Dumbo. A lot of the questions have always been, how do I know if it's personal use or not? If you find it down in these boxes down here, every single character has a personal use box, and these, if you download them, are for personal use only. Up here, these are all good to go. You can sell them as long as you're a commercial rights or above use seller. The Design With Me page is for our $13 and up members. And what these are designed for is so that you can actually sell your own SVGs, but you can also design your own SVGs and you can set yourself apart, but you can also sell the SVGs you create with these. So we will add more and more elements to that. You can also pair these with our clip art and our other elements in our membership to sell. If you go over to shop, you can get fast to shop Auntie Tay is Craft Day Creators to get your coupon code before you go over there. It'll be right here, and you just take that code, and when you go to shop and you go over to shop.AuntieTay.com, as you're checking out for whatever you're purchasing over here, you just use the coupon code from AuntieTay.com. I hope this helps you navigate the new membership site. Thank you guys for being so supportive of me and my membership, and I love you guys, and I will see you guys all the places that you can find me.